About this item: original Osram lamp wick inside bare bulb makes everything on the screen looks clearer. Premium quality, high brightness, extra long lifetime up to 4,000 to 5,000 hours. The lamp is intended for use in the following models: WD60735, WD60736, WD60737, WD60C8, WD60C9, WD62530, WD65736, WD65737, WD65835, WD65837, WD65C8, WD65C9, WD73734, WD73735, WD73736, WD73737, WD73835, WD73837, WD73C8, WD73C9, WD82737, WD82837. 30 days free refund and 210 days warranty. See more product details.